Alright guys, let's dive right in. Ever wanted to make money on YouTube but too shy to show your face? You're not alone. Today I'm gonna give you some killer tips to crush it on YouTube without ever having to step in front of the camera. Yep, you heard that right, let's go. First up, animations and whiteboard videos. You can create awesome educational content using software like Doodly or Toonly. People love watching animated explanations and you don't need to be on screen. Just script out your ideas and let the software do the magic. Next, voiceover videos. If you've got a good voice, use it. Create content where you narrate over stock footage or slideshows. Think of channels that do book summaries, tech reviews, or even news recaps. You can find tons of free stock media online to pair with your voice. Now let's talk about gaming channels. Gamers, this one's for you. Record your gameplay and add commentary. No need to show your face, the game screen and your voice are enough. There are tons of successful gaming channels that never show the creator's face. Another great idea is tutorial channels. Whether it's coding, cooking, or crafting, you can create how-to videos showing just your hands or screen. People are always searching for tutorials, and as long as your instructions are clear, they won't miss seeing your face. Alright, here's a big one. Podcasting on YouTube. Yep, you can upload audio-only content with a static image or simple animation. Great for interviews, discussions, or storytelling. It's like a radio show, but on YouTube. And don't forget product reviews and unboxings. You can show the product in your hands while you talk about it. This works great for tech gadgets, cosmetics, or even subscription boxes. People want to see the details, not necessarily your face. Lastly, let's talk about vlogs without showing your face. You can film your surroundings, your activities, and add an engaging voiceover. Some travel vloggers do this and get millions of views. It's all about the story you tell, not how you look. So there you have it, folks. Tons of ways to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Remember, the key is to provide value and be consistent. Whether it's through animation, voiceover, gaming, tutorials, podcasts, or reviews, there's a niche for you. Now get out there and start creating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.